Know more about WebinarNinja? What is WebinarNinja? WebinarNinja is an all-in-one webinar software that makes it easy to plan and launch live events or pre-recorded videos. How WebinarNinja works. First, live and automated videos. Second, paid webinars. Third, series webinars. Fourth, analytics. First, live and automated videos. WebinarNinja gives you flexibility with your content, live or pre-recorded, and it is great for creating evergreen videos. Second, paid webinars. WebinarNinja also has a feature called paid webinars. Converting your webinar videos into products that you can sell to attendees essentially turns them into a product. Third, series webinars. If your topic needs more than one video, then you can use WebinarNinja to write what it refers to as series of webinars. Fourth, analytics. If you're building a company, then analytics are very important. WebinarNinja provides vital analytics for any business. WebinarNinja features. First, create a webinar. Second, customize a webinar. Third, webinar settings. Fourth, registration page. First, create a webinar. From the dashboard, you should find options to start a new webinar. There are 4 types of events that can be started: live, automated, series, and hybrid. Second, customize a webinar. After a webinar has been created, some of the settings can be configured. You can also edit registrations, notifications, and thank you page templates. Third, webinar settings. Under the Webinar Settings tab, you can let WebinarNinja know where to show your social media sharing icons. Fourth, registration page. The registration page is editable even by those who have little or no experience with web design. WebinarNinja pricing plans are as follows. Pros. First, robust webinar platform. WebinarNinja is one of the best webinar platforms around, with a host of features and affordable pricing. Second, paid webinars. It's nice to know that they include the option for paid webinars. Not all software has these features. Cons. First, limited templates and design options. While we are happy that you can customize your registration and thank you pages, there aren't a lot of options to choose from. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information, please visit our website idealonlinebusiness.com. Link for the website is given in the description box below.